Inner child. The inner child that you have heard or read about, how important is it? Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Well, inner child. The inner child that you have heard or read about, how important is it? Have you ever thought about this? Every moment of your life is important, and you have to live in the most beautiful way possible. Free. How should you have this freedom? When your inner soul, when your inner child is happy and free, that inner soul of yours is a beautiful bond with God. Yeah, with universe, everything, Mother Earth, sky, stars, moon, sun, everything. Yes. Source. Your inner soul is your inner child. The soul inside you is alive when the deep passion inside you and the child inside you should be happy and free, alive. Be itself. If you try to live without the presence of your inner child, oh my God, your life will always feel like you have something missing, because you don't understand the taste of anything, a feeling of emptiness. Instead of healing yourself, your inner world, instead of seeing your inner child, the child inside you, God, pay attention, understand, communicate with yourself. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing with your life, with yourself? You start to crowd yourself more and more. You distract yourself with people, things, traps, all kind of work. You want to escape from the loneliness and silence that you have to establish and discover yourself and get to know yourself. You will not be happy. You will not be happy, never, or cured by the entertainment around you. When your inner child, your inner soul, your inner self has no relationship with you, your connection with yourself, your connection with God seems to have been cut off. Do you want to be treated? The deepest way is the child inside you, your inner child, your inner soul, your inner self. You. this way, your connection with everything, the sky, the beautiful moon, beautiful sun, beautiful universe, Mother Earth, God, everything. You know, you, with your inner child, you will communicate with everything, the whole world, the whole universe. Remember that. Get to know your inner child. Get to know yourself and discover yourself. Okay? Dear unique, always remember there is only one you. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and write a comment for me. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Love you.